celebrate every day like a birthday. Good things come to those that wait up.
She said happy birthday to Grandma Popo.
Oh, my God. Thank you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Oh, my baby.
Look at him over there.
It might be a little too big for him, but it might fit. I don't know. What size is this? 10. Oh, he might be regular right here. He might can do this more regular tape or stretch. This might be his size. That's how he is. It's regular. That's 18, 12. 12 regular. I don't know what's 12. Too big for 12. Yeah, too big for 12s.
And this week for 2024 is Alice. Oh, thank you all so much. A few words for your public capacity? Well, I don't even know what to say. I just want to thank everyone. Nobody ever told me anything about that. Ladies and gentlemen, you all
Just like a guide in shining armor, you'll forge into the greater dawn.
Who's the laugh?
Yeah.
Don't even do that.
Yeah. Where'd she get it from, Tim?
Honestly. Where'd she get it from?
Where'd she get it from?
Quiet. I'm quiet. It's that one to be turning up. I'm quiet.
Let's in there quiet.
I know.
And I've been settling, but Celeste boosts me up every time I'm with her.
Oh, really? Kel, say. Kel. I gotta put the peace sign, you gotta put the fork. You be ready now. Behind you, Shalay. Huh? Sure, and then thank you. She get extra everything she say. It's her birthday. They dry over there. They dry. Oh, hey, hey. Ma, go ahead and pet it. Oh my God.
That tickle. Hey, girl. Listen, you come close, they want to tickle.
Uh-huh.
Girl. Hey, girl. Is that good, girl? Hey, girl.
Turkey.
Hell, no, I expect better than that. Come here, Cal.
Cal,
Gertrude ain't gonna do nothing to you.
Ben's not feeling that.
Cal, Gertrude ain't gonna do nothing to you.
No, ma'am.
You might start chasing after me or something.
There's Gertrude looking at Pokey ass. Look.
Why do you look like that?
Child.
See, I got plum on the tree.
I got her and Pookie hook up. Got Lily and Pookie, they gonna ride a bike together. For Andy.
Huh?
For Andy.
You got to hook up. How?
She wanted to talk to me. I said, my mom, you ever met my mother-in-law?
And what she said?
She said, no, I think I know her though. Her name is oh, that's your mama. She got you. And I got what? That's all I said. I was going. No, I don't like that. Oh, where you going? I'll get you to help me, man. Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Huh?
Where they going at? Where I park at? Oh. Oh. Would you like me to open the door? I guess so. I'm about to go do something with my hair. We're just leaving Walmart for this boy here. For this little boy here. Leaving Walmart. I'm about to go to the house and do something with my hair. Because my hair is hearing. We forgot what?
I'm gonna go back in there.
Forgot what?
What?
All up on me.
Why y'all can't sleep right? Kel, you all, it look like you all the way on her. That's what I'm saying. Good morning, guys.
They have a reverse section for cash cards.
But them potatoes look good too.
Well, it's gonna be right back. We want a place like decent way and your syrup, okay?
Alright, thank you. How you enjoying your food? It's good? Yeah, how you enjoyed yours? Yeah. Huh? Good? Eddie, how you enjoyed yours?
It's pretty good for the first time experience. Pretty good. We are on. Hello guys, we're on Adventure Beach.
Hello, guys.
Y'all ain't gonna be Look who's driving. Oh no, y'all, it's about to go down today.
These brakes work? I don't know if these brakes work. No, you cannot drive.
Mom, put the shot on the coffee.
Goddamn bullies get behind us, somebody crying. Come on.
It's really cool, but it's really ugly. Video.
Pretty blue. Look at that. Look at their faces.
Yeah, that is pretty.
Y'all like it's Christmas.
Uh-huh. Got a beach day, y'all. The fam bam.
In the morning, you don't come in here, bug.
What the bug at? What the bug at?
Right here.
Love bug. Chin up. We've been in the tent earlier and ain't had no service. Got 2 bars now. 2 bars. So she is on that phone. It was good to have y'all off the phone for a little bit. Oh. I had some fun. Tiny day. Ooh, beach day was a success day. We had some fun. The shade too dark for y'all. Now we got Edith's skin tone. Okay, y'all. Now we at. I got chicken. What is the difference? You got that? You got chicken or what you got?
Chicken.
Oh, okay. I should have got that other.
I mean, barbecue is like spicy.
Oh, I wish I knew that. I would get that because I like spice. Tomorrow got me trying tacos for the first time. AJ and not tacos, Chipotle. Ha! AJ and Kel is at Mods, inside Mods, and I'm about to bust it down right quick. I ain't want to eat it so dry. I think it's a sauce that's supposed to be going with it. Where my chips at? Boom. Let me try this bad boy out right quick. What y'all got? Oh, pepperoni, cheese. Y'all can stick to the basic now. So a little Chipotle had did the job, y'all. I'll be back to Chipotle, but now I know what to order, what to put on, and what to take off. You know what I mean? But it was good.